Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1BM. So already first topic is completed. The next topic is, what is our next topic? Transformation of axis. Okay now? Transformation of axis. The next topic is transformation of axis. Okay now? See here. Transformation of axis are three types are there. Okay now? See, transformation of axis are three types. First one is translation of axis. Translation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. Third one is translation and rotation of axis. Translation and rotation of axis. Translation and rotation of axis. There are three types are there. First one is translation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Third one is translation and rotation of axis. Totally, how many types are there, sir? Three types. Okay na? So today we are discussing the translation of axis. Okay na? Today we are discussing the translation of axis. Okay na? Sir, what is the translation of axis? Okay na? So what is the today topic is translation of axis. Translation of axis. Okay now? So without changing the direction of the axis, origin is shifting to one point to another point in the plane. Okay now? That is called the translation of axis. Okay now? Again one time repeating. Without changing the direction of the axis. Okay now? Origin is shifting to one point to another point in the same plane. Then the translation is called. So then the transformation is called translation of axis. Transformation means we are changing the coordinates. There is nothing but transformation. Okay now? See here. So actually this is the coordinate system. This is the x-axis. This is which one, sir? Y-axis. This is the origin. What is the coordinates of the origin? 0, 0. The coordinates of origin are 0, 0. Okay na? See here, the coordinates of origin are 0, 0. Here observe this one. Now we are saying the translation of axis means without changing the direction of the axes. What is the coordinate direction of axis means coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis. So origin is shifting to one point to another point in the plane. So like this one, here we are drawing the x-axis parallel to which one, sir? O-x-axis, and we are drawing another x-axis parallel to which one? O-y. So this is, here we are taking, this is the new origin. Here origin is shifted to one point to another point in the plane. So the direction of the axis are same, O-x dash and O-y dash as it is. Okay na? Like this one, here origin is shifted to one point to another point. So we are not changing the direction of the axis. We draw which one, sir? Underline parallel to OX axis and underline parallel to which one, sir? OY axis. Understand? Without changing the direction of the coordinate axis, origin is shifting to one point to another point in the plane. Okay now? So this type of transformation is called translation of axis. Okay now? See here, now we are discussing this one. See? Okay now? So we are discussing deep discussion about the translation of axis. Here, this is the coordinate system. O, this is which one, sir? X. Okay, this is which one? Y. Okay na? So we are constructing the new coordinate system. This line is parallel to which one, sir? OX line. We are constructing which was the new coordinate system. This is the y axis. This line is parallel to which was the OY. Here origin is shifted to what is the coordinates of the origin? 0, 0. So this is the new origin, the intersecting point of here x-axis and y-axis is sir origin. Here this is the new origin. Origin is shifted to which one, sir? From 0, 0 to which place, sir? The new origin is we are taking O dash. O dash is nothing but which one, sir? H, K. O dash is the new origin. Okay, now. Here origin is shifted to which place, sir? H, K place. Okay, now. Origin is shifted to H, K place. This is the new x-axis is there. There also new y-axis. New x-axis is nothing but O dash x dash. New y-axis is nothing but O dash y dash. Okay, now. O dash x dash is the new axis. O dash y dash also new y-axis. Okay, now. So see here. So in this system, in this coordinate plane, we are taking the one point. The point is PM. Okay, now. Here the coordinates of PR2 are there with reference of new system, with reference of old system. Here the two references are there with the two coordinate systems are there. What are the two coordinate systems, sir? OX, OY are old coordinate system. OX, OY are old coordinate system. Okay, now. And next one. O dash x dash, O dash y dash are new coordinate system. New coordinate system. Okay. So OX, OY are old coordinate system. O dash x dash, O dash y dash are new coordinate system. Okay, now. So, if we are taking one point in the same plane, so every point has two coordinates are there with the reference of new system, with the reference of old system. Okay, now see here. So, here P of x, y we are writing. So, P of x dash, y dash. Here x, y are the coordinates of P with reference of which systems are old system. Okay, now x dash, y dash are the coordinates of P with reference of the system, new system. Sir, how to control the coordinates? Coordinates is nothing but x coordinate. Which ones are denoting? The perpendicular distance from the point P to which ones are? Y-axis. Y coordinate denoting the perpendicular distance from the point P to which one? X-axis. Here we are drawing one perpendicular line. Okay, now. So P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Okay, now. Here observe this one. X, Y are the coordinates of which system, sir? New system. Y, X dash, Y dash are the coordinates of which system, sir? Sir, X, Y are the coordinates of P with the reference of which system? Old system. X dash, Y dash are the coordinates of P which system, sir? With reference of new system. Okay, now. Here observation, O dash is equal to what we will say? H, K. H, K. So H, K is there. So H is denoting which one, sir? So here P, Q, R, S we are writing. Suppose here we written which one, sir? H, K. Okay, now. Here H is denoting which one, sir? The perpendicular distance from the point to which one? Y-axis. That is nothing but OS. The perpendicular distance from the point to O dash which one, sir? Y-axis. That is nothing but which one, sir? OS. OS is equal to which one, sir? H. Okay, now OS is equal to H. Yes or no? OS is equal to H. Okay. So next you see here, K is there. K is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the point P to which one, sir? The perpendicular distance from the point P to which one? Which one? See here, K is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the point O dash which axis, sir? X axis. That is nothing but K. Okay, now this is nothing but H, K. Okay, now here observe this one. Here O dash is there. O dash is equal to K. OS is equal to which one, sir? H. Here we are writing. OS is equal to what is the value, sir? H. Next to O dash S is equal to O dash S is equal to K. And also see here So the coordinates of P equal what we written sir? X dash comma y dash. The coordinates of P equal what we written sir? X dash comma y dash written. Here X dash is nothing but which one sir? X coordinate denoting the perpendicular distance from the point P to which one sir? Y dash axis with the reference of which system? New system. Okay now? Y dash is the coordinates of point which one sir? P with reference of which system? New system. Y dash is the coordinates of P with reference of which system? New system. Here also X coordinate denoting the perpendicular distance from the point P to which one sir? Y axis. That is nothing but here O dash here O dash Q. That is nothing but X dash. O dash Q is equal to X dash. So next term Y coordinate denoting the perpendicular distance from the point P to which one? New axis. PQ is equal to whatever sir y dash. Okay now we are finding the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system. Here observe this one. What is the coordinates of P sir? P is equal to x comma y is there. The x coordinate denoting which is a perpendicular distance from the point P to y axis. Here x comma y are which system sir? Old system. So x coordinate denoting the perpendicular distance from the point P to y axis. That is nothing but OR. Okay now? This is the distance from P to y axis. Nothing but which one sir? OR. OR is equal to, we can write OS plus, here we can write which one sir? OS plus SR. OS plus SR. Okay now? Here SR is equal to O dash Q. Here we can write SR is equal to O dash Q. Understand? SR is equal to O dash Q. It is nothing but OS plus O dash Q. Here address SR is equal to O dash Q. C is also perpendicular, and that's why SR, the distance from S to R, is equal to O dash to Q. Here we have OS is equal to what is the H is there. OS is equal to H. O dash Q is equal to whatever sir? X dash. Here OR is nothing but X sum. This is X is equal to X dash plus H. This is the relation between the new system and old system. X is equal to X dash plus H is the relation between the new system and old system. Same way here SR is equal to what is the O dash Q is this. SR is equal to O dash Q. Okay now? See next is here. And also the relation we are finding next number Y. Y is nothing but which one sir? Y coordinate denoting the perpendicular distance from the point P to which one sir? X axis. Okay na? There is nothing but here observe this one. PR. Okay na? So here Y is equal to what is this sir? PR. PR is equal to PQ plus QR. PQ plus what is the value sir? QR. PR is equal to PQ plus what is the value? QR. Here observe this one. What is the value of PQ? PQ is equal to, we have already Y dash is then QR. We want QR. QR is nothing but O dash S. Okay na? O dash S. So O dash is equal QR is equal to O dash S. Okay na? So PQ plus QR, Q dash QR is equal to sir O dash S. O dash is equal to what is the value? K. Here PQ is equal to what is the PQ sir? Here Y dash plus here which one sir? K. QR is equal to which one sir? K is there. So K. Total here Y is equal to Y dash plus Km. Here always remember this one. Here x comma the coordinates of P with reference of new system are there, with reference of old system are there. Okay now? With the reference of new system, the coordinates of P are x dash comma y dash. With the reference of old system, the coordinates of P are x comma y. Okay na? So the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system, there is nothing but x is equal to x dash plus h. y is equal to y dash plus km. So this equation, remember this one, this is the relation between the new system and old system. X is equal to x dash plus h, y equal to y dash plus k. Okay na? Remember this one. Again one time repeating same topic. Listen carefully, see here. So see this same topic again one time repeated. So now we are discussing which ones are translation of axis arma. So actual topic is transformation of axis. Transformation of axis is three types. First one is translation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Third one is translation and rotation of axis. Okay now? Now we are discussing the translation of axis. Okay now? So the translation of axis means, see a translation of axis. If the origin is shifted, to, okay now, origin is shifted to another point in the plane. Without changing the changing the direction of the axis. Without changing the direction of axis. Okay now? Without changing the direction of axis. So then this translation is called, sir. Then this transformation is called translation of axis. So then the transformation is called translation of axis. Translation of axis. Here again repeating, the R3 shifted to another point in the same plane without changing the direction of the axis. Then the transformation is called. Then this transformation is called translation of axis. So here actually this is the coordinate system. This is the origin. Okay now, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is called coordinate system. What is the coordinates of O, sir? 0, 0. The coordinates of O are 0, 0. Yes, suppose R is shifting to which point, sir? Another point. There is nothing but h, km. So R is shifted to another point. Which point, sir? H, k. How to define the origin? The intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis. So there is origin shifted to this point. That's why first should we are drawing x-axis and y-axis. So here also x-axis we are writing we are drawing a line that is parallel to each other, OX. This line is parallel to each other, OX, and y-axis also we are drawing new y-axis that is also parallel to each other, OY. Here the new origin is O dash. Okay now? The new x-axis is O dash x dash. The new y-axis is O dash which is y dash. Okay now? O dash x dash, O dash y dash. This is the new origin. This is the old origin. Origin is shifted to which one, sir? One point to another point in the same plane. The origin is shifted to one point to another point. So origin 0, 0 is shifted to which place, sir? H, k place. The H, k is which one, sir? New origin. Okay now? H, k is the new origin. Observe this one. Observe carefully. Here H, k. Here suppose you are writing the coordinates of H, k. There is nothing but H is denoting the perpendicular distance from the point to which one, sir? Y-axis. That is nothing but H. This is nothing but which one, sir? K. H, k are the K is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the point which one, sir? X-axis. This is H. This is K. Okay na? So see here, in this same plane, so we are taking the one point that is nothing but P. Okay na? The coordinates of P we are finding. So if there are the two coordinate systems are there. What are the two coordinate systems are? OX, OY. This is the old coordinate system. O dash, X dash, O dash, Y dash are the new coordinate system. Here OX, OY are old coordinate systems. Old coordinate system. Okay na? Next is here. O dash X dash, O dash Y dash are new coordinate system. New coordinate system. Okay na? OX, OY are which ones are old coordinate system. O dash X dash, O dash Y dash are new coordinate system. So okay, in this plane we are denoting one point. So every point has two coordinates are there with the reference of new system and with the reference of old system. Okay na? So here we are writing the coordinates of P is equal to X, Y with the reference of the systems. These are the coordinates of we are taking with the reference of old system. Old system is P is denoting which ones are the perpendicular distance from the point P to which ones are Y axis. That is nothing but P. Here we are taking Q. This is which one? R. Here N we are writing. Okay na? So observe this one. P R and also OR is there. OR is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the point P to which ones are Y axis. OR is equal to the perpendicular distance from the point P to which ones are Y axis. Okay na? And also PR is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the point P to which ones are X axis. Okay na? So here X is equal to what is the value, sir? X is nothing but OR. X coordinate denoting the perpendicular distance from the point P to Y axis. That is nothing but OR. X is equal to OR. Here Y is equal to the perpendicular distance from the point P to which one, sir? X axis. That is nothing but PR. Y is equal to PR. Okay now? Y is equal to which one, sir? PR. Observe this one. Here ON is equal to what is the, sir? The distance from O dash to Y axis. Nothing but O to N. That is also H. This is the H. Here O dash N is equal to what is the value? K. ON is equal to H. O dash N is equal to K. Here OR is equal to X is equal to OR is there. OR is equal to ON plus NR. ON plus which one, sir? NR. Here ON is equal to what is the value, sir? H. Okay now? ON is equal to H. Here observe this one. So here we are writing the X dash comma Y dash. X dash comma Y dash are the coordinates of P with reference of which systems are new system. Here X dash is nothing but X dash denoting the perpendicular distance from the point P to new axis. What is the new axis? O dash Y dash. That is nothing but this is the X dash. So O dash Q is equal to what is the value, sir? O dash here O dash Q is equal to which number? X dash. Okay na? Next Y dash. Y dash denoting the perpendicular distance from the point P to the new axis. What is the new axis, sir? O dash X dash. That is nothing but PQ. Okay na? PQ is equal to here PQ is equal to what is the value, sir? Y dash. So PQ is equal to Y dash. O dash Q is equal to what is the value, sir? X dash. Okay na? X is equal to what we written, sir? ON plus NR. Here NR is nothing but NR is equal to O dash Q. Yeah. So we are writing NR is equal to, sir, O dash Q. NR is equal to O dash Q. That's why X is equal to, here ON is there. ON. What is the value of ON, sir? ON is equal to H. ON is equal to H. NR is equal to O dash QM. O dash Q equal to what is the value? X dash. Therefore, X is equal to X dash plus HR, H plus X dash both are same. And also Y is equal to sir PR is there. PR is equal to PQ plus which one sir? QR. Okay now? Y is equal to PR is there. PR is equal to PQ plus QR. Here PQ is equal to what is the value of PQ sir? Here PQ is equal to what is the value? Y dash. See nothing but Y dash. QR is there. QR is nothing but which one sir? K. Okay now? So PQ is equal to Y dash. QR is equal to K. Here Y is equal to Y dash plus K. Totally Y X is equal to X dash plus H. Y is equal to sir Y dash plus K. This is the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system. Okay now? So tomorrow we are discuss the same class. Okay now? Again one time repeating this system. This is the X is equal to X dash plus H, Y equal to Y dash plus K. Okay now? See here always remember that in this topic only remember here. In this topic only remember which one sir? The coordinates of P is equal to X comma Y are there, and also the coordinates of P equal to X dash comma Y dash. The coordinates of P is equal to X comma Y is nothing but with the reference of which system sir? Old system. X comma Y are the coordinates of P with reference of which system? Old system. X dash comma Y dash are the coordinates of P with reference of which system sir? New system. X dash comma Y dash are the coordinates of point P with reference of which system? New system. We have the relation between the new system and old system is there. So here H comma K is which sir? H comma K is the origin shifted point. Again repeating. So what is our translation of axis sir? If the origin is shifted to another point in the plane without changing the direction of the axis. Okay now? Origin is shifted to one point to another point in the plane without changing the direction of the axis. Understand? There is nothing but actually origin is 0, 0. Here we shifted to which point sir? H comma. See here. Again one time repeating. Listen carefully. Actually the translation of axis definition without changing the direction of the axis, origin is shifted to one point to another point in the plane. This is the coordinate system origin 0, 0. So origin is shifted to another point. So here we are shifting to which place sir? H comma K. This H comma K is the new origin. Actually 0, 0 is the origin. Origin is shifted to another point. Here origin is there. That's why here also we are writing sir axis, coordinate axis. The O dash is the new origin. That's why here new x axis O dash x dash. Here also O dash Y dash is the new y axis. This is OY. This is which one sir? OX. We are not changing the direction of x axis and not changing the direction of y axis. O dash x dash, O dash Y dash are the new axis. Okay now? Suppose in this plane we are taking the one point, P be the one point. There are two systems are there. That's why with the reference of new system one coordinates are there, with the reference of old system also another coordinates. Okay now? So here we are taking always remember this one. The coordinates of P is equal to X comma Y written. X comma Y is nothing but P is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the point P to which one sir? Y axis. Y coordinate denoting the perpendicular distance from the point P to which one sir? X axis. With the reference of which system? Old system. Okay na? Same we are writing the coordinates of P equal to X dash comma Y dash. Okay na? X dash comma Y dash we are writing. Suppose we are M, here we are writing N. Okay na? PM, PN is there. PM is equal to the perpendicular distance from the point P to Y dash axis. That is nothing but which one sir? X dash. PN is equal to Y dash. X dash comma Y dash are the coordinates of P with reference of the system, new system. Here H comma K is the origin shifted point. In this topic only remember this one. the coordinates of P is equal to x comma y with the reference of old system. Okay, na? So x dash comma y dash. The coordinates of P equal x dash comma y dash with the reference of new system. With the reference of which one? New system. Okay na? Here h comma k be the origin shifted point. H comma k be the origin shifted point. Always remember these three concepts. X comma y are the coordinates of which one, sir? P with reference of which system? Old system. X dash comma y dash are the coordinates of P with reference of which system? New system. H comma k be the origin shifted point. The relation between the old system and new system is there. Okay now? By using of that equation we can transform one system to another system. What is the relation between the new system and old system? Relation between new and old system. Relation between new and old system. Then x is equal to x dash plus h. Y is equal to y dash plus k. This is nothing but a relation between the new system and old system. Next class we are discussing again same topic. Okay now.